I'm Chase with Aquaterra, a meter tech, and I'm here to talk about the meter exchange program. The water meter exchange program is designed to replace meters with high usage and older meters. Did you know that the average meter's lifespan is roughly 20 years? And with new technology, there's easier ways to read the meter. An authorized tech will be in uniform carrying ID with a name, photo, and ID number to replace the water meter. As the water meter will be located inside your house, most likely by the hot water tank, the technician will need access to change the meter and will need an adult 18 years or older present during the meter replacement. This will take approximately 30 to 90 minutes to complete, and there is no charge for the meter replacement. How water meters work is when water passes through the older style, there's a little triangle, and that little triangle will rotate, showing you that water is passing through. The water meter is also a great way to detect leaks. So if you have all your taps closed and that triangle is spinning, water is going somewhere. Check toilets and outside taps first for running water. The meters that are currently being used look like these two. And to check usage, you'll want a flashlight to shine on the screen. This one here has a lid, and you want to shine that light on the solar panel. This one will be easier to light up. This one you need a very bright light to check usage on the display screen. On the display screen, there will be an arrow on the top right of the meters. When water is flowing through the meter, the arrow will flash, and your decimal point on the far right will also change. Here are some tips to help you with your water meter. Always shut off your water at the main valve before the meter inside your house if you're going on vacation or leaving for an extended period of time. It will help in case of any leak occurs while you're away. Please use caution and slowly turn the valve back on when you return. Routinely check the valve that it operates properly. Don't build obstructions that limit access to your meter, such as placing drywall, furniture, etc. in front of the meter. And if a leak occurs, it's always good to have quick access to your main. You can check out our website for some other great tips on how to check for water leaks, or for more information about your water meter. You can use the chat feature on our website at aquaterra.ca. Email us at myaccount@aquaterra.ca or call us at 780-538-0340. And thanks for your time.